Hi there, my name is Chris Patchett. This is Tone Visualizer, my capstone project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. The objective is to design and implement a web application on my own using Python and JavaScript. The final project is an opportunity to design and implement a dynamic website. As long as the project draws on the course's lessons, the nature of the website will be up to you, subject to the following constraints. The requirements of this project. In this project, you will be asked to build a web application of your own. The nature of it is up to you, except for your web application must be sufficiently distinct from other projects in this course, and in addition may not be based on an old CS50 project and more complex than those. A project that appears to be a social network is a priori deemed by the staff to be indistinct from Project 4 and should not be submitted. It will be rejected, which this one is not. A project that appears to be an e-commerce site is strongly suspected to be indistinct from Project 2, and the README file should be very clear as to why it is not. Failing that, it should not be submitted. It will be rejected. My project is distinct from those in a number of ways. The web application must utilize Django, including at least one model on the backend and JavaScript on the front end. The web application must be mobile responsive. The README file in my project's main directory includes a write-up describing my project. Specifically, my file must include all of the following. Under its own header within the README called Distinctiveness and Complexity, there should be a section about why I believe my project satisfies the distinctiveness and complexity requirements mentioned above, what's contained in each file I created, how to run the application, and any other information the staff should know about my project. If you've added any Python projects that need to be installed in order to run your web application, be sure to add them to a Requirements.txt file. I used no other packages from Python in my projects, so there is not a Requirements.txt file. Though it's not a hard requirement, the README must be in a neighborhood of 500 words, assuming the other requirements are also satisfied. So as you can see from what's going on in the background here, there's a keyboard and you can update gain, pan, and wave type settings, save them, and select settings that you have saved. Similarly, you can do that with envelope filter settings and compressor settings to modify the sounds. Additionally, you have a selector for animations. There are a couple of pre-made animations that I built with CSS, but there are also custom animations that you can build by selecting all kinds of various attributes to your animations at various steps of the way. All of these, the front end was built with React, the back end was built with Python, and the audio was facilitated by the web audio API that I learned a little bit in the process of creating this app. Thanks for checking it out. This has been Tone Visualizer. Thank you.